Hello, Sarah here from smallbusinesssarah.com, and today I have a short video for you on a tricky situation with Shopify and customers paying through PayPal with a different currency. So I'm assuming that we are dealing with US dollars as our primary currency, but with Shopify, sometimes we will get PayPal customers that pay using a different currency because they're located, of course, in another country. And if you're using my monthly journal entry method for Shopify, this creates a lot of confusion. Let me show you here. So we've got PayPal sales, and you'll notice in the billing country column that we have some from Canada. So what happens in PayPal is those currencies are being set aside in like a separate kind of holding bucket, and it's then messing with the figures as far as when we run the balance affecting CSV file. It affects what is showing as our available balance, and it just honestly just makes it difficult to do the Shopify bookkeeping, and we want to keep that as simple as possible. So we're going to change one setting in PayPal so that we can convert those foreign currencies automatically into US dollars. So this is a PayPal business account. Go to Account Settings, Payment Preferences, then this top line, the Block Payments top line, click Update. Now the default setting is down here. You'll find that yours most likely is this one checked, accept all payments without converting the currency, either adding it to an existing balance or creating a new holding currency where needed. And it's this holding currency which makes the bookkeeping difficult. So instead of having this selected as the default, we are now going to select this, where all the payments are accepted, but they're converted to US dollars automatically. And changing this setting is going to make a big difference in regard to we're going to be able to do our Shopify bookkeeping in the way we've been doing it, in the typical way, and these PayPal foreign currency issues aren't going to plague us any longer. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. And if it is, as always, I would appreciate your like and your subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day.